Yeah. First of all, thank you for joining this demo. And so here, what we'll do is we'll discuss about Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay. So Salesforce, I think everyone knows actually most when Salesforce started, it is basically CRM application. Okay. When they are started Salesforce, basically they are posing they are mainly focusing on Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Actually, Salesforce started in 1999. That is everyone knows, right? So 1999 it started, and so Mark Benioff is a founder and CEO of the company. Okay, so it started that time. Okay, initially they focused mainly on Salesforce CRM things like a Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and something we have called Community Cloud. So recently this name is changed to the Experience Cloud. I think all these things are not required for you. Just I'm explaining what is there in the Salesforce.
Okay.
Experience Cloud. And again, now Salesforce launched so many things like Commerce Cloud, Health Cloud. And now Salesforce is like a very big actually. So many things are there and available. Now we can say simple. So Salesforce is like a single platform. We can observe like a customer for 360 degrees, like generating leads, providing service, and like whatever you want, you can do it in the Salesforce. So everything we can do achieve with the Salesforce. Okay. So similarly, Salesforce you also using like a marketing cloud. Okay. So what is marketing cloud? Okay. Generally, I'll give like a high level. Actually, in the sales cloud, what we can do is we can we can capture the sales information. Like a simply, I can say you can capture who is a customer. Okay. Like what's the deal? Like how many products he's buying. Like a quote information. Everything will be there in the sales cloud. Okay, like a contract, order, all those things will come under Sales Cloud. And next one will be Service Cloud. So once customers purchase a product, what they will do is they need some services, like in case they are facing some issues with the product. So what we'll do is we'll do in Service Cloud. In the Service Cloud, what will come is like a mainly case object, solutions object are there, something called articles. Articles means like some information about issues. For example, RAM issue is there in the laptop. So what we can do in the Service Cloud is we can create one article for this, like how to resolve the RAM issue. So all those things, like if we can live chat with the customer, like a chat bot, everything will come under Service Cloud. Okay. And this is like a community cloud. Community means this is mainly in case if I'm selling my product, if you take example, Reliance company. Okay. So Reliance is in the market, they are dealing with multiple products. Okay, they are dealing with multiple products. Example, if you take telecommunication, right? And if you take real estate, also doing it sometimes, right? Real estate. And they are doing like some trends. What is young Reliance? Like they are doing like some insurance also, right? So many things actually they are handling the Salesforce, right? Sometimes what the Reliance company will do is, so they're using Salesforce for their internal employee. Okay. Even they want to give partnership to the dealers. Okay. Dealers also want to sell products. Then what they can do is Reliance company. So they cannot give directly Salesforce access. They can give a community access with the limited features. Like only whatever they want to see, we can give that much. So this is generally we can say this is like a partner community. You can give access to your partners, to your product or your some Salesforce information, right? That is called community cloud. And this is again Commerce Cloud and Health Cloud. So these are all again extra coming in the recent days. Okay, well, I don't want to go in depth on all these clouds. Our focus is like a marketing cloud. Okay, we know all these things. Then where marketing cloud will come? Okay, actually before Sales Cloud, so marketing cloud should be there. Okay, why? Because in the marketing cloud only we can generate leads, right? After leads only you can do something like a sales information. Without leads, what you can do, right? So for example, whatever the leads prospects are there, then you can do further thing like you can contact to the customers, and you can tell about your products, all those things you can do. Okay. In the CRM, what is the starting point is marketing cloud only. Okay, but initial days there is no marketing cloud in Salesforce. It came around like 2013 or 2014. They started the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, ma'am. So initially we have mainly Salesforce is focusing on only sales and service. Later they added many clouds in the data platform. Okay. Okay. So now what we can do is, first of all, like what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Okay. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud is nothing but what, sir? This is a digital marketing automation tools. Digital marketing automation, right? I think everyone knows what the digital marketing means. Digital marketing means like you can do something like a email from you can send email, you can send SMS, right? Like you can send like a ad, you can post some ad in the social channels, right? So all those things we can do like a call it as like a digital marketing. So same thing. So Salesforce marketing tool is like a digital marketing automation tool. Okay. And actually, what is the history of this? How it is started? We'll discuss in detail on this. Okay. Actually, in 2000, there is a company called Exact Target. The company name Exact Target. This is a company started actually marketing cloud. Okay. In 2000, there is a company called Exact Target. It is started like a marketing cloud application. Okay. So that person name is like a Scott Dorsey, I think some his name. Okay. So he's like a founder of initial days of marketing cloud. Okay. So what this marketing cloud will focus is, it is like a B2C. What is the meaning of B2C is? I think you know, right? It is like a business to customers. You can directly contact to the individual customers. Okay. So they started this application in the 2000 by the Exact Target company. Okay. So then what happened is, sometimes even not only business to customers, individual customers, even if you want to do like a business to business, like a company to company, then what happened is in the 2006, okay, so there is something called David Cummings and Adam Blitz. These two persons started something called PADAT. Okay, so PADAT. So what is PADAT is? PADAT also like a marketing a type of application only. But so the marketing cloud is mainly focusing on business to individual customers, but this PADAT is like mainly focusing on business to business. Company to company, you can sell the product, like you can do the marketing, all those things, company to company. Okay. So it started 2006. Actually, what is the meaning of PADAT is, actually, they purchased first domain in the website. Then they started it in the 2007. Actually, it is in the live will be 2007. Okay. So PADAT means, what is the meaning of PADAT is to market or sell. So that is like a Latin word. Okay. So this is the meaning of like a PADAT. Okay, sir. So now in the 2000 marketing, Exact Target companies started marketing cloud. Okay, by this person. This is mainly focusing on business to customers, individual customers. Okay. In 2006, they purchased one domain in the market called Padot. Okay. So what is the meaning of Padot in the Latin is to market or sell. So that is the meaning of that website, that word. Okay. So this is like a basic history, actually, how like a marketing cloud and Padot is started. Okay. So then what happened is in the 2011, see, till now there is no Salesforce. If you observe here, there is no Salesforce till now. It is not involved here. Okay. But in the 2011, what happened is Salesforce acquired something called Radian 6. So what is Radian 6? Okay. So what is Radiant 6 is, so actually they want to start, Salesforce want to start marketing cloud. That's why what they did is they acquired a Radiant 6 company. So what this Radiant 6 will do is, okay. So for example, like you are like giving some Reliance Trends is their example. Okay. So someone like I'm seeing these trends and their clothes and all those things. Example, I'm seeing some insurances. Okay. So even like Tanuja also seeing, Srinivas also seeing about their products in the market, in the website somewhere. Okay. So what this Radiant 6 will do is, it is like a social listening platform. What it will do, madam? It is like a social listening platform. Okay. So what customers is talking about their products, what they are talking about trends, what they are talking about insurance, the reviews, and everything will be, we can capture by using this Radiant 6. It is like a social listening platform. Like what customers talking about their brands. Customers ఏం మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నారు about their products, their brands. So that everything will capture in what? In the Radiant 6. Is it clear what is Radiant 6?
Yes.
Okay. So this is also like a social platform actually. Okay. And what happened? And the next year itself, 2012, Salesforce acquired one more thing called Buddy Media. What, madam? Salesforce acquired one more thing called what? Buddy Media. So what is Buddy Media? What it will do is, so this is also like a same like Radiant 6, but here what you can do is not only observing what customers like are talking about your products. Here you can publish some content in the social channels. You can publish some content in the social channels, and you can track the history of that ads, whatever it may be. Okay, in the real time. Okay. In the source, what this Buddy Media will do is, okay, madam, you can publish some content in social channels. You can publish some content in social channels, and you can track it, what like customers that are like doing all those things. Okay. So this is like a Buddy Media. It is started in, acquired by Salesforce. Okay. Actually, both Radiant 6 and Buddy Media, both are mainly focusing on social channels, like what about what they are talking about products, how you can post your ad about your product in the social channels. Okay. These two will be mainly focusing on Social Studio. Okay. Actually, we have something called separate concept called Social Studio. So these two will be there, and that it will come under that Social Studio. Okay, madam. Now, so what happened is, so exact target is started in 2000, correct? Okay. So already nowadays, so in the meanwhile, what happened is this pilot also have a good demand in the market. Like they started business with the business to business, all those things. So that's why what happened is in 2012, so exact target acquired pilot. Okay. So now in the exact target company can do two things. One is like a marketing cloud, like a business to see, and the other one is PADAT, like a business to business. They can do both type of marketing, digital marketing things. Okay. So now till now, Salesforce have only one thing called Social Studio. That is nothing but what, madam? Radiant 6 and Buddy Media. But remaining all the things are there in the exact target company. So that's why what Salesforce is thinking is, so we want to do everything in the Salesforce itself. So that's why in the same year, in the next year itself, 2013, Salesforce acquired Marketing Cloud. I mean, exact target. Salesforce acquired exact target. Following till now, what I'm saying, what is history, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So 2000 is started exact target. It is mainly focusing on marketing load, and this is a person. This is like a business to customer, individual customer. In 2016, like these two persons like started to purchase one new domain in the market, and they named it called PADAT. So this PADAT is mainly focusing on like a business to business. Okay. What's the meaning of PADAT means in the Latin word to market or sell. And then 2011 and 12, Salesforce acquired two important social media channels called Radiant 6 and Buddy Media. Then in 2012, exact target is acquired by PADAT, and PADAT is acquired by next year sorry, exact target is acquired by Salesforce in the 2013. So from 2013 onwards, now Marketing Cloud is everything is there in the Salesforce. So till before 2013, exact target and everything that is a different individual company. Now sales in 2013, Salesforce acquired Marketing Cloud. That's nothing but exact target. Okay. So in the next year, I told you right, these two is nothing but what? Social Studio channels. So in 2014, Salesforce merged these two things into the social studio. So social studio is nothing but what? It is a combination of Radeon 6 and what, madam? Buddy Media. That's it. So in 2014. So this is like history of like a marketing cloud, how the marketing cloud started, like what is bad at, and then when Salesforce acquired exact target, right? All these things. Okay. So this is a high level history of like a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And what is the important thing you need to know? Important thing is you need to hear is, I think upcoming year 2024, in 2024, so like a social studio is going to retire, madam. It is not available now. Retired in 2024, maybe November, I think. Okay. So instead of social studio, actually Salesforce is want to purchase another social studio channel. That name is like a Sprout Social, something called Sprouts Social Studio. So it is like still it is in progress, but this will happen in the 2024. Instead of social studio, what will come in place of social studio is like a Sprout Social. Another thing will come. It will be retired. This will not available in 2024. Understand what is happening? Okay. Okay. So this is all about the basics of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay. Now you know like what like a PADAT is mainly focusing on like a business to business, and the Marketing Cloud is like exact target is mainly focusing on. These are two different licenses. Marketing Cloud is mainly focusing on like business to individual customers. Okay, madam. So now, okay. Now, for example, customers wants to use Marketing Cloud. Like how much they need to pay, right? So in the Salesforce also something like we have editions like a developer edition, enterprise, like a group, contract. So many editions are there in the Salesforce. 5, 6 editions are there. But in the Salesforce, if you want to practice Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, all those things, Community Cloud, so there is a free edition. Okay, you can use like that is a lifetime edition. You can use the developer edition. Okay, remember this is not Marketing Cloud. This is a Salesforce to practice Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, all those things. So this is a edition we have. It is free of cost. You can practice and you can do whatever you want maybe. Okay. But when it comes to Marketing Cloud, there is no free editions. Okay. So it is like a paid version is only available. That's why in the market also very less people there in the marketing, like Marketing Cloud people, because it is very difficult, right? Without org, how you can practice it, right? If you have org, then you can you can practice and you can do more things. You can easily get all those things. But without org, it is difficult, right? So that's why in the market also Marketing Cloud people are less compared to Salesforce developers. Okay. So it is only paid version is available. It is no free of cost is not available here. It is only paid version. Okay. Paid version. Here also we have some editions in the Marketing Cloud. What are the editions we have is one is called Basic, other one is Pro, and other one is something called Corporate, and the last one is Enterprise Edition. So these are the 4 editions available in a Marketing Cloud. Actually, this is a basic cost of like this one is per user per license. Basic license is like a $400 per month. Actually, if you take any license in the Salesforce, either Marketing Cloud or Salesforce license, so they will charge annually, not per monthly. But this is like a per month license, per basic license. So this is like around $1,250 per pro. So and this is like around 3,750. And this is like a based on the like the customers discussing all. It will decide by the company and customer to not fix it. This is the highest edition actually. Enterprise edition is the highest edition. Okay. So why we have these many editions in the marketing cloud? Okay. So what will happen is, so some customers, they don't want to use all the social channels. They are mainly focusing on email marketing. Okay, madam. Their main focus is like only email marketing. Then what they will do is they don't want to put this much of amount, 3,000, all those things. So they can simply go for these two editions. So this is mainly focusing on email channel, email marketing. Okay. Email marketing things. Okay. And in case if some companies are like a mid-level companies, what they will do is they want to do email marketing, and as well as they want to create reports and all those things, some journey builders, all those things. So what they will do is they will go for this corporate edition. Okay. And what is enterprise edition is, so for example, your company, like your example, if you take Reliance company, that Reliance company is like not only focusing on one product, they are focusing on multiple products. I told you example, telecommunication, estate, trends, insurance, etc. So in this case, what needs to do happen is they need to maintain each product with a separate units. So that's in that case means why then we can go for business units. Okay, these two is mainly for which one, madam? Email marketing, like email studio, creating content, all those things. It is like a email marketing mainly. And this one is mainly focusing on email marketing plus, and you can create some like a journey builders, automation studios, all those things. Creating reports for your all the things like tracking all those things. Reports and etc. But if you go for enterprise edition, so this is like if you want to handle multiple units, multiple products you want to sell it out throughout the world. Okay, not only one product, not only one particular area. One particular area. So you want to maintain your customers, your products throughout the world, not only one product, multiple products. I told you example, insurance, right? All these things. Then what they can do is they can create a business unit. In the marketing cloud, what we can call is something called business unit. Okay, what is business unit? We'll discuss in later. So they can create different business units. For example, for telecom, they will create a Reliance Telecom unit, business unit. And for example, insurance, they will create a Reliance Insurance unit. Okay. For like a trends. So like this, they will create a multiple business units, madam. Reliance Trends unit.
Okay.
So like this, if you have a requirement like this, I want to like sell multiple products and I want to handle all the customers at one place, then we'll go for enterprise edition. Because here you can create multiple business units here. So you cannot get multiple business units and all those things in editions. Following everyone what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah. So this is all about like a editions. So based on the customer requirement, we can go for these editions. Okay. So then will come like a real point, like why we have to use marketing cloud. Now you understood the history of the marketing cloud. What are the editions available in the marketing cloud? Okay. Like why we use marketing cloud? What are the things we can do in the marketing cloud? Uses of marketing cloud. So what we can do in the marketing cloud is the first thing is email marketing. So what email in the email marketing, what we can do is we can create a email templates. We can add a content, all those things, whatever you want, you can add it. You can test, you can preview it, how it is working and all those things. And you can send to the customers. Through email, you can track your customers, like what they are, like they are purchasing or they're clicking links and all those things. Everything will come in the email marketing. Okay. And other one is mobile marketing. So what is the meaning of mobile marketing? I'm using simple words. I don't want to use like a real words and all those things. Okay. So normally in the mobile, what you can do, you can just send SMS and push notifications, all those things, right? And you can generate more leads and all those things by using the mobile studio and others. Okay. And we have something called the social studio. I told you just now, right? Like we have something called Radiance X and Buddy Media. What here you can do is social marketing means you can just you can add your like you can add your like ads or like in the all the social channels like Facebook, LinkedIn, Telegram, Instagram, Pinterest, wherever you want you can post it your brand and what customers are talking about your like your brand, all those things you can capture it in the background. That is called social marketing. Okay, and even we have something called advertisement. You can create other separate ads for your data and you can post it. Advertise studio. Okay, I'm calling here marketing. Normally we can call it like studios: email studio, mobile studio, social studio, advertisement studio. Okay, just for understanding purpose I'm using this word, like what we can do with the email, what we can do with the mobile, what we can do with the social, what we can do with all social. Okay. So all those things we can do with the, not only like a like a promote doing this studios marketing. Even you can like generate reports, analytics also you can do here. Like how many users clicked on your email, how many users are opened your email, like how many users are unsubscribed your email. All those things also we can track by using analytics in this marketing claim. Okay, so even web studio also. What is web studio is you can create your own website or content, some cloud pages you can upload there wherever you want, the cloud pages, all this. Okay. So marketing cloud you will use for email marketing, mobile marketing, social marketing, advertising marketing, web studio marketing, all those things. These are all called studios normally in the marketing cloud. We can call it as a studios. Okay, clear what I'm saying?
Yes. Got it.
So as I told you, right? So marketing cloud is just all these things are useful for the marketing cloud. But what marketing cloud contains? Marketing cloud ఏముంటుంది? What will be there in the marketing cloud? So marketing cloud contains mainly two things. Okay, one is studios, other one is builders. Understand, madam? Marketing cloud contains mainly what? Studios and builders. So studios means I told you, right? Like email studio, mobile studio, social studio, advertising studio, web studio, and all. Okay, so here you can send email and you can track all those things you can see in the studios. What builders will do is, example, what will be there here? Email, mobile, web, and anything, example, social studios, etc. Okay, man. So builders, what are the builders we have? Is example, we have something called content builder. So content builder we will use to create a content. Content means anything. You can create a template, you can add logos and all those things for your email, right? And we have something called audience builder. So by seeing name itself, you can easily understand, madam. Content means you can create content. By using content builder, what you can do, you can create content and you can see, like you can add that content to your email templates and you can upload images, logos, whatever you want, you can do that. Audience means by seeing this name, what audience builder will do is, it will contain the customer's information, contacts information. Okay, audience builder. Okay, madam.
Yes.
And even we have something called here like a journey builder. Like you can create a journey builders like for like a campaigning, like a step by step. Like you want some notifications and all things campaigns. So these things are there in the builders mainly, content builder, all these things. Okay. In the audience builder only we have something called contact builder. Audience and contact builder both are same. Don't confuse. Audience or contact builder both are same. Okay. In the content builder, we can create a content for your email templates and all those things. In the audience builder is nothing but a content builder. Here we can store the customer's information, contacts information. So in the journey builder, what you can do is you can create campaigns and you can schedule it automatically or somewhere you are all those things you can do. We can go in depth later. So these two things mainly available in the marketing cloud, studios and builders. Clear, madam, what I'm saying?
Yes.
So we'll go in depth on all the things like going forward. Just I want to say this is like a high level. Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about history of marketing cloud. Now, example, assume, for example, normally if you want to log into the Salesforce, we'll use a login.salesforce.com. But we don't want to discuss now Salesforce because there is no completely different marketing code is different, Salesforce is different. That's it. So if you want to log into Marketing Cloud, so we will use the URL called mc.exacttarget.com. Okay. So what is the URL we have to use to log into the Marketing Cloud application, sir? mc.exacttarget.com. Okay. For example, I'll open my Chrome. Okay. I'll just open here. So just you can type mc.exacttarget.com. So this is the URL to log into the Marketing Cloud. Okay, here one more thing is remember, like normally in the Salesforce, something we have called sandboxes and production. You know Salesforce, anyone knows?
Yeah.
Tanisha, you know Salesforce? I don't know.
No, I'm not aware of it.
Okay, no problem. So there are like a different talks actually in the normally Salesforce. Sandboxes will use and production. Production is a real-time data. We'll use sandboxes for like to develop new applications and to test your applications and for UAT testing for the end users. So there are two things. But in the Marketing Cloud, we don't have like that. No sandboxes and all. We have only one org that is called mc.exacttarget.com. Here only you can create multiple business units. I told you, right? Even if you want to test it, you can create multiple business units and you can test. Then you can move all those things to the original business unit. Share it all the content. Clear? There is no sandbox and all those things are not available in the Marketing Cloud. Okay. So once you give the mc.exacttarget.com, this is my username and password. Click login.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give. Just the password is wrong. Just 1 minute. Sure. We can just know we logged in now, right? So this is like a Marketing Cloud org actually.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, this is the org like we will going to use in our class also. Okay. See, and so now just to discuss about what is this org, what is there in this org actually. Something we can call, what can call is navigation of Marketing Cloud.
Okay.
Okay. So what is there in the Marketing Cloud? How you can navigate all those things? Okay. Once you log into the Marketing Cloud here, so here you can see Marketing Cloud logo. Okay, and here you can see the calendar and campaigns. In case if you did any campaigns, you can click it. This is called dashboard tool actually. Whatever you can see top side, that is called what? Dashboard tool. So you can see the calendar upcoming, anything is there, automations are there, you can check it in the calendar. Recently performed any campaigns, you can just click on here, you can see these all these things, recent campaigns. What are the recent campaigns you did in the things, all those things you can see here. Okay. And this is feedback. For example, you are not liking Marketing Cloud. Maybe some issues are there in the Marketing Cloud. You want to give feedback about Marketing Cloud to some people. Like this is not good or this is good, something you want to give feedback. Then you can use this feedback button. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Something just you are giving feedback to the Marketing Cloud, how the application is there. You want to give it, you can give it. In case of anything you want to do, anything you can do that. Then we have something called, I told you that business units, right? Just now. So what here you can see business unit. Currently, this is like just for our practice, right? That's why we have only one business units. So maybe if you buy enterprise edition, what will happen? You can use multiple business units. One is for insurance, one is for telecommunication, one is for something extra, etc. So all those business units we can see here only. If you click here only you can see. This is same like application menu in the Salesforce.
Okay.
You can see sales, service, all those applications, right? Similarly, if you click here, all the business units available in you can see it here. And one more thing, you can assign like a business units also, which business unit, for example, now currently logged by Varaprasad. So Varaprasad, I assigned only one application, like one business unit. That's why I'm seeing one only. For example, in this org, I have 4 or 5 business units. So if you want to assign all the 4 or 5 business units to the one person, you should assign it. Otherwise, you cannot see it. Understand? So currently is only one assigned business unit. That's why I can see only one business unit. What is the business unit name? Northern. This is my business unit name. This is the ID for Marketing Cloud ID. This is very important. Even like where you can find your Marketing Cloud hierarchy. Salesforce Marketing Cloud certification exam, admin exam question, where you can get your Marketing Cloud account org ID, where you can check by clicking your business unit, you can check the ID. Clear?
Okay.
Here also you can check, and other where others where you can check other places. If you just click here username, you logged in here. If you click setup, here also you can see the setup. Okay, generally this is not admin Marketing Cloud org, so you can see few setups only, not all the things. Generally all the things will do by Marketing Cloud admin who have a Marketing Cloud admin like a role that people can do all these changes. They can see all the settings here. Okay. So here also you can see, if you go to the company settings, if you go to the account settings, and one more thing, very important thing is, so Marketing Cloud org is little bit slow, not like it will not like open immediately. It will take time. Okay, you should wait. Okay, compared to normal Salesforce. So here you can see our like org information. What is all those things here you can see, right?
Yeah.
So you can see now Marketing Cloud ID here is also there. Here also it is there. So it is a marketing like your org ID, business unit ID. So your org ID. So these are the two ways you can find your Marketing Cloud account ID. Okay. And this is like all about information. We'll go all these later. Just I want to show you what is Marketing Cloud ID, where you can find it. Okay.
Okay.
Then here you can do all the setup things. You can do all the things. You can configure your accounts. You can change your UI brand, login page also you can change. Subscription details, like what all those things you can do. See all these things later. Next is cloud preference. So whenever you log into Marketing Cloud, what you have to do? Like which application first should open? See, for example, whenever I log into Marketing Cloud, what happened? I can see this screen, right? Normally I can see this screen. What I want to do is, whenever I open Marketing Cloud, I want to see by default email studio. Example, this one I want to see. E-page చూడాలనుకుంటున్నా. Whenever I'm logging into the Marketing Cloud. This is like a same like a default tab, madam. Simple. Whenever you log in, which page you want to open by default? For example, you are mainly focusing on email studio, correct? In that case, why you need to go like again all these things? No need to, right? Just by default, you can log into directly email studio. So for that, what you can do is, if you go here, setup, if you click on cloud preference, so here you can choose which app you want to open by default. You can set your own settings, which app I want to see by default whenever I'm logging.
Okay. So if you want to use email platform, email studio use cheyalante, we have to create it here.
Yeah, not you cheyalante, by default open avalante. Whenever you log in, immediately you want to see it.
Okay.
So here you can see default login page preference is there. Na? Here I can choose the email. So this means what will happen? Whenever I'm logged into this account, this user whenever log in, he can see directly this page, email studio page.
Okay.
This page will open.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
That is called cloud preference default. Not only email, which one you are working mainly, you can use that selection. And your own settings also, like what is your username, what is your email ID, right? So when you last logged in, all those things, your time zone, username, everything you can see, your personal information also, you can see it here. And you can change, if in case you want to change password, security questions, you can change your personal settings.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is all about cloud preference. This is high tips. What is high tips? For example, if you open to the Marketing Cloud, okay. For example, if I click on this option, now you can see highlighted something, and you can see there is some like a bulb symbol, some places like it will describe about what is that.
Okay. So each and
Note tips. This is like a note or like something like a, what you can say, quick info about that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
it will show, if whenever you mouse over, it will show about that information, what it will do.
Okay.
So that is called show tips, side tips, like this. Okay. Okay, now that is like a tips. You can see somewhere bulb. It's not showing. Okay, I'll check. Then this is like a help and training. Maybe if you want to see some marketing cloud, like information, some documents, you can use this help page. Okay. There is no use for that. Just even if you want to use it, you can use it. And this is a trust. What is trust? For example, sometimes our marketing cloud servers are like busy, or they are like upgrading. So in that case, what will happen? You don't know, like it is upgrading. It will not open. If you try to log in, it will show a message. It is under maintenance. Okay. How you can check it is under maintenance is, we should open trust.salesforce.com. You can just go down. Like you are using which one now? Marketing cloud, right? You can just choose the marketing cloud application here. And just you have to pass your ID. You can see all the status of your product.
Okay.
Status of Social Studio, all those things you can check. For example, if you click on it, so here you can just click on marketing cloud engagement or marketing cloud, whatever it means, for example. So if you see that this tick symbol means that servers are available actually. Okay. If you see this symbol means it is not available. This is description. It is under maintenance. So you can check your marketing cloud ID. What is your marketing cloud ID? You can, right? That you can just copy and paste it here. You can find what is the status of that your server. It is working or it is maintenance, all those things you can see. So most of them, that maintenance will be there in the only weekends. That is also like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you will not get any issues. In case if you wanted that one also, you can check here. Clear, madam?
Yeah.
And that is also monthly or quarterly will be there. Maintenance will not happen. That you can check in the trust.salesforce.com. You can check your marketing cloud status. Not only marketing cloud, normal Salesforce also we can see here only. Normal Salesforce also we can check everything here. For Salesforce also we can use these are the symbol like Asian, Pacific, North America, Australia, all those things. For marketing cloud we can use the R guide. That is the difference. Clear, madam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then log out. This is we know, right? You know to explain about. If you want to log out, you can log out. Okay. So this is all about marketing cloud first section. This is all about this one. Under this, we have something called here. You can see all the something called studios and builders. I told you that in the marketing cloud we have mainly two things. One is what, madam? Studios, and the other one is like a builders, mainly, importantly.
Right.
So what will happen is, if you see now here, right, this email studio I have opened, right? For example, if I want to open anything, example, I want to change now. I want to change to the journey builder. What I can do, just I can mouse over to this email studio here. Here you can see all these options available. Now I want to switch to which one? Journey builder, right? Click on it. And which one you want to open? Journey builder or automation studio? Example, I will open journey builder. So now, which one is highlighted here?
Journey builder.
Journey builder. I am opening journey builder now. Now, again, for example, assume now again I want to open like a default page. I told you, right? Show tips, something like that. So you can see this is a bulb symbol will come. I told you that show tips is enabled, right? That's why you can see this symbol. Welcome to journey builder, all those things. If you don't want what you can do, you can hide it. Understand, madam?
Okay.
Yeah. So again, I want to open to I want to see come to the default page. Normal page down, just you can go here. You can click on this logo, Salesforce logo. Again, it will see the default page. Tell me now, I want to open again like a mobile studio. Where I have to go?
You have to
Go here,
there.
click on it. So now it is open mobile push thing. For example, I want to come to again like a default page. I want to see all the studios and app builders now again. Where I have to click? Go directly logo, click on it. If you click it, We'll again open the same page.
Okay.
Understand, madam?
Yeah.
So this is all about like a marketing cloud or and studios. Okay, we'll go in detail on the, like simple. If you want to switch to any application, just go here, marketing cloud logo, click on it. That's it. It will open that studio. Again, you want to come back to old page, all the applications, go your logo, click on it. That's it. Go your logo, you need to click on it. Then only it will display all the applications again.
Okay.
Click. If you want to open specific thing, you can just choose whatever you want to open. Clear?
Yeah.
So these are the two things important, like all the personal settings and application studios and all those. So this is all about like high level about marketing cloud. Just 1 minute, I'll stop the recording.